Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Easter Bunny Elmo and Easter Bunny Cookie Monster. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our Easter Elmo and Easter Cookie Monster. Let's begin with Easter Elmo. So I'm going to start right here and let's go ahead and make an oval shape for Elmo's nose. We're just going to make a nice little oval shape like this. Now, at the top, I'm going to make a circle shape like this, and we're going to make a second circle shape right next to it. Inside of here, let's go ahead and color in a circle for the pupil inside each eye. I'm going to make a little line here and a little line here for the sides of the mouth. And then I'm just going to make a bumpy little smiley face line across here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up here for Elmo's mouth. Next, I'm going to make some bumpy little lines. They're just going to kind of come around here. And I'll do the same thing on this side. We're just going to make some bumpy little lines like this to connect. Now for the ears. I'm going to begin right here and I'm just going to make a nice big oval shape that's just going to come up and down. And then I'm going to draw one more right inside of here. Now for this ear, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come down and then bring it up to here. Then we're going to draw a line down. And then we'll draw two more, just like that. Now over here, let's go ahead and draw Cookie Monster Easter Bunny. So I'm going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to make a circle shape for Cookie Monster's eye. And then I'm going to make another circle shape right next to it. I'm going to color in a dot here for the pupil, and I'm going to color in a dot right here for the pupil. I'm going to make a line here and a line here for the ends of the mouth. I'm going to make a bumpy little line that's just going to come right across here, kind of like a smiley face shape. Then I'm going to go down, we're going to go over, and then up to here. Next, for the sides of the face, I'm just going to make this kind of bumpy, pointy line. And then same thing here. We're just going to make this kind of bumpy, pointy line, and we're just going to connect these. Now for this one, I'm going to make a nice big oval shape that's going to come up and down for an ear. And then we can draw that same shape right inside of here. Then over here, I'm just going to draw this line up and down, and then we're going to curve it around. Then we're going to bring this line down, and this line down. And there you go. There is your drawing of some Easter Elmo and Cookie Monster faces. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.